To work with Youngman is a pleasure because we always have stock availability, especially for the customers where you can have a choice of what you want to order, the thickness, the color. We've got a wide range of colors, which obviously our competitors don't carry. The products we use, especially the Blue Sky product, is a very high, good material. To come to Youngman every day is like a special day. You do the same things, but you always need out to help a customer or to get some more things done for somebody else. We are a lot of nice guys. We all work together, especially me and my team. I've got about 38 guys under my team. We all understand each other, especially the mole guys, which normally comes in early in the morning and they leave, they only come back late at night.